innovation begins with an idea. The power that lights our homes. The technology behind electric vehicles. The automation that drives industries. The intelligence built into modern machines. Behind each of these is engineering. Introduced to meet the changing needs of modern industries, the B.Tech in Electrical and Computer Engineering at KIET University brings together the fundamentals of electrical engineering with the capabilities of modern computing. The program prepares students to understand, design, and build technologies that are shaping the future of energy, mobility, automation, and intelligent systems. Students explore diverse areas including power and energy systems, smart grids, renewable energy, electric vehicles, embedded systems, robotics, industrial automation, AI-enabled engineering applications, IoT, space and aviation technologies, and biomedical instrumentation. At KIET, learning is supported through practical experience from the very beginning. Students work in advanced laboratories for power systems, electrical machines, power electronics, electric drives, embedded systems, robotics, automation, instrumentation, and PLC and SCADA. They also gain hands-on experience with industry-standard software and simulation platforms such as MATLAB, LabVIEW, OpenRT, and Multisim. Industry exposure is an important part of the program. Through internships, live projects, expert sessions, and research opportunities, students gain practical insights into real engineering applications. The Center of Excellence in Power and Energy Systems, established in collaboration with Tata Power, along with the E-Mobility Center of Excellence, provides opportunities to learn emerging technologies while working on industry-oriented projects. Beyond academics, students are encouraged to innovate, collaborate, and build. Through the Industrial Electronics and Control Club and the Socio-Tech Innovation Club, they participate in hackathons, technical competitions, workshops, and innovation challenges that strengthen technical, leadership, and teamwork skills. The interdisciplinary nature of the program opens doors to careers across power and energy, electric vehicle technologies, automation and robotics, embedded systems, smart manufacturing, aerospace, healthcare technologies, semiconductor industries, research, higher education, and public sector organizations. As technology continues to connect electrical systems with intelligent computing, the demand for engineers who understand both continues to grow. If you aspire to build technologies that make industries smarter, mobility cleaner, and energy more sustainable, electrical and computer engineering at KIET offers the knowledge, practical experience, and industry exposure to help you get there. Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. Engineering Intelligence. Powering Tomorrow.